Very bad day on Wall Street in response to the disappointing consumer price index report. Stocks just taking a dive today, including the Dow, which sank more than 1,000 points. For some economic experts, today's news was worse than expected. Inflation showing no clear signs of slowing, and the strain on Americans' wallets continues. NewsNation correspondent Paul Gerke is live for us on Wall Street, where it was a very rough day of trading, Paul.
Pick your favorite adjective, Nicole. You could say rough, you could say bad. I'm going to go with grisly. It was a grisly day on Wall Street as the markets reacted to the latest consumer price index numbers that came out today. As you hinted at, economists were expecting something better. Not just that inflation would slow, but that we'd actually beat it back a bit. And that was not the case, reflected in all three indices deep in the red today. The Dow shed nearly 1,300 points, its worst day since June of 2020. It was also the worst day of the year for the S&P 500. I counted them. 495 of those stocks were in the red. Meta dropped more than 9%. Twitter, actually, one of the only securities that ended above where it started the day. The tech-heavy Nasdaq war damaged the worst. More than 5% of its value was wiped out as the tech sector continues to struggle. Across the board, today's losses erased nearly all of the recent rally on Wall Street. The latest data shows inflation is still way too hot, although its pace did slow for a second straight month. The CPI rose 1/10 of a percentage point, which brings inflation to 8.3% over the last year. So for illustrative purposes, let's say you got a 15-gallon gas tank. On September 1st, it costs you $57 to fill up. The total price you're paying for goods and services has more or less remained flat lately over the last couple months, though. You may be saving at that gas pump, as gas prices have plunged more than 10% on average in the last month. But you're spending that money on other things, essentials like shelter, food, and medicine. So let's go back to that 15-gallon gas tank. September 1 cost you $57 to fill it at $3.80 per gallon. That was the average then. It's $5.55 cheaper than it was a month before, when the national average was $4.17 for a gallon of unleaded. But that savings is going toward things that you can't live without, like groceries, for example. The food index has jumped more than 11% in the last year, the largest annual increase since May of 1979. And Nicole, today's CPI numbers were the last big indicator before the Federal Reserve is set to meet again next week on the 20th and the 21st. And analysts see this as a sign that those 0.75% rate hikes that the Fed's been going with the last two times it's met are helping, but are not enough to solve our inflation problems right now. So we can expect to see another one, and maybe even another one after that, until inflation is much closer to the 2% the Fed wants it at. Nicole?
Yeah, still a ways to go. Okay, Paul, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.